Welcome to the JRD Solution YouTube channel, where financial education meets real transformation. Did you know that many successful businesses build business credit without relying heavily on the owner's personal credit? Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs believe they must use their personal credit score for every business loan, credit card, or funding opportunity. While personal credit can play a role in some situations, building a strong business credit profile can help your company establish its own financial reputation over time. In today's video, you'll learn what business credit is, why separating it from your personal credit is important, and practical steps that can help you build a stronger business financial foundation. Number 1. What is business credit? Before you can build business credit, you first need to understand what it actually is. Business credit is a financial profile that belongs to your company, not you personally. Just as individuals build personal credit histories, businesses can establish their own record of responsible financial behavior. When your business develops a positive credit profile, lenders, suppliers, and financial institutions may view your company as more trustworthy and financially responsible. This can create more opportunities as your business grows. Think of business credit as your company's financial reputation. The stronger that reputation becomes, the more confidence others may have in doing business with your company. Number 2. Why you should separate personal and business credit. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is mixing personal and business finances. Using personal accounts for business expenses may seem easier at first, but over time, it can create confusion and unnecessary risk. Keeping business finances separate helps establish professionalism, improves record keeping, and makes your company appear more organized. It can also make accounting, taxes, and future funding conversations much easier. Separating personal and business finances doesn't happen overnight, but making it a priority early in your business journey can help build a stronger financial foundation. Number 3. Build a legitimate business foundation. Strong business credit starts with a legitimate business foundation. That means operating your company professionally and maintaining consistent business information. Your business name, address, phone number, email, and legal registration should match across important business documents. Having a dedicated business bank account and maintaining organized records also helps demonstrate professionalism. Think of this step as building the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, future growth becomes much more difficult. Professional businesses create confidence. Confidence often leads to opportunity. Number 4. Establish business banking relationships. A business bank account does more than separate your finances. It creates a financial relationship between your company and your bank. Consistent banking activity helps demonstrate that your business is actively operating. Maintaining organized records, depositing business income into your business account, and using that account for business expenses all contribute to a more professional financial profile. Banks appreciate businesses that operate with consistency and transparency. These habits can support your company's long-term credibility. Number 5. Develop strong payment habits. One of the most important parts of building business credit is developing consistent payment habits. Paying business obligations on time demonstrates responsibility and reliability. Whether it's vendor invoices, utilities, or other business expenses, consistency matters. A positive payment history can strengthen your business's financial reputation over time. Remember, business credit isn't built overnight. It's built through responsible financial behavior, repeated month after month. Small habits create long-term results. Number 6. Avoid common business credit mistakes. Many business owners unintentionally slow their progress by making avoidable mistakes. Some mix personal and business finances. Others apply for funding before their business is properly established. Some fail to keep accurate financial records. Others simply don't understand how business credit works. Building business credit is not about finding shortcuts. It's about creating a professional financial profile over time. Patience, organization, and consistency often produce better long-term results than rushing into funding applications. Number 7. Think long-term. Business credit isn't just about today's opportunities. It's about preparing your company for tomorrow. As your business grows, your financial needs may also grow. You may eventually need equipment, inventory, larger office space, or expansion capital. Building business credit early helps position your company for future opportunities. Every responsible financial decision you make today contributes to your business's long-term reputation. Success isn't built in one day, it's built one smart decision at a time. Number 8. How JRD Solution helps. At JRD Solution, We believe that financial education empowers entrepreneurs to make smarter business decisions. Understanding business credit, financial systems, taxes, and funding strategies helps business owners build stronger companies with greater confidence. Our mission is to educate, empower, and equip entrepreneurs with practical financial knowledge they can apply to real-world business situations. Because when you understand how money works, you gain more control over your business future. Knowledge creates confidence, and confident entrepreneurs build stronger businesses. Building business credit without relying entirely on personal credit isn't about quick fixes. It's about creating a professional business, developing responsible financial habits, and building credibility over time. Start with a strong foundation. Stay organized. Pay your obligations consistently. Think long-term. Every positive financial decision helps strengthen your business's future. To learn more about business credit, financial education, entrepreneurship, and wealth-building strategies, visit our website today, www.jrdsolution.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the JRD Solution YouTube channel for more videos that help you build a stronger financial future. Thank you for watching. Educate, empower, execute.